the back edge looks fine.
Yeah,
it's the top of the arch.
It's the top, yeah.
How far can it turn?
That's it right now.
About that far?
That's before it runs into the, you can see it hitting the body there.
Yep.
The wiggle boy. Listen, I'm been striping like this.
I can also get out of your way.
Yeah, that would actually help a lot.
And that's 23.6 millimeters. We're down to like
You're
22,
triggering me so much right now.
20 and a half.
Are we making the front or something? Is that what we're doing here?
The front, yeah.
Yeah, I want to get working on the front too, so.
So that's our bead. That works.
Yeah, and then we need 1.25 inch, like cut off there.
Yes.
And cut off there, and we'll just run the bead shorter, and then we can hammer and dolly the rest.
All right, there's so many lines on this piece of metal now.
We need to mark the bead zones.
Can someone explain where the bead zones are?
Yeah, right here.
In the
Where is this bead zone TM? Going to the bead zone.
One extra premium panel.
Dang.
Will's got a very watchful eye on this. Will, what are you thinking about?
I am thinking about how amazing it is that we can use plastic dies to do this.
That's a very good thought, actually.
Not only are they plastic, they're 3D printed plastic. Just as we were talking about the 3D printed die being really cool, it is completely disintegrating.
Well, you know what?
Ryan,
what's
it's
nice
falling
about that?
apart.
You know what's nice
have
about
a
that?
spare.
I printed a spare.
And you happen to print a spare of the top.
The one I thought would be a problem.
Yeah.
Let's grab it. The best part about it being 3D printed, even though this one did disintegrate, it cost 10 cents to print, and we have a backup. And we can print more. We can print 10 of them if we wanted to.
Yeah. Betty arms, Willie. We're positioning our googly eyes, and obviously we're not going to measure them because we're just going to eyeball them.
for what was going on here. Yeah, so we were having troubles with the welder. Whenever we went below like 55 amps-ish, it wouldn't strike an arc consistently, which made the welds very annoying. So we had to go way higher heat and just kind of ram the rod in as fast as we can. So they're just not...
Some of them turned out all right.
Yeah, I mean, they have good penetration and stuff.
Yes.
They're just not the beautiful dabs that you would expect.
They're not the beautifulest.
We're better than this.
If you look, here, wait, come over here.
Yeah, look at that, there it is.
Just, look at that, perfect weld. How's it feel, Ryan?
It feels really, really good. My only complaint is that the weight in the back makes it there's no weight in the front. So like when I go to steer, like you go to do a donut, for the first half donut you can steer, then suddenly just no steering.
Yeah.
And then just what's the hook?
So we're ditching the spare tires because they don't do any good anyway. They just look really cool. But
yeah. Oh wait, what's that?
What's what?
Our breathing line popped off.
Oh yeah, good.
Anybody got a flathead on them?
No. It's fun. It's a pretty good ride, and it just, you know, fits with our usual brand of absurdity.
The Google eyes. This thing is impressively unstoppable.
Yeah. All
right, so we have our finale here. We have our finished 4-day build. Carts. Abomination is no longer as much of an abomination because it's hidden underneath the pristine metal work. I also wanted to thank these guys for flying across the country to spend time with us because it was really
Thank you
rad.
guys.
It was super fun, and thanks for hosting. And
Yeah.
we've been staying at Tony's house all week. It's been very nice. It's,
Will, what'd you learn? What's the biggest thing you learned this week?
I learned that Porsche is Porsche, and I learned that this place is really hot and steamy. I learned that metal can bend and warp and turn into cool Porsches. Porsche.
I think it's the Willy way of saying shrink and stretch. But
I think so. Yes.
What was your favorite tool? Bead roller, English
Give me a
wheel, the little jiggly machine.
The jiggle wiggly machine, that thing. The thing, and the Clicos.
Ethan, what's your favorite thing you learned or big thing you learned or something like that?
I don't know. It was cool to just kind of learn all of it. I wouldn't say. I mean, favorite tool, like the English wheel is really cool.
Yeah.
But like, it's not the tool I want the most. Because, like, I want a bead roller because like that's more like something
That
I
fits
would
your
actually
shop
use.
a lot
Yeah.
more, and it takes up a lot less
It
space.
takes a lot less space. Yeah. And
Yeah.
the English wheel is really cool, and I want one of those too because I want to be able to make fenders like this when we do.
See, I always think it too. Ethan had a really good understanding of like shrinking, stretching in the first place, so he like latched on very quickly to how the tooling worked. So it helped a lot.
And I have thousands of hours of time
Yeah.
shaping metal
Exactly.
in different ways.
In
So
different ways.
it's been a blast. It's been a lot of fun.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So
I was gonna say we'll probably be back, but like I don't know. We might not come back here.
Will has
We'll do
said multiple
something again.
times he's coming back.
I'm coming back.
Will's coming
Will's
back.
coming back. You
Yeah.
can send Will as a ambassador.
An emissary. Yeah. Ambassador boy Willie.
I want to learn how to make Play-Doh cars next.
Okay, we'll do that next time.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I want you to bring the clay. I want you to have like 2 giant
A
duffel
suitcase.
bags full of clay on the plane.
Anyway, guys, stick around because we will be working on the 928 some more as well. Catch you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.